first question, why are we asking about a bond project now? Well, the reason is that we passed a bond in 2016, and that bond drops off the books next June of 2026. And when you consider the needs of the district, it is probably easier and more reasonable to continue a bond, and if we need to add on to it from there, to do that, than to let it drop off the books and then start from scratch. So that is the reason we are talking about this now. We're trying to plan ahead and be ahead of the bond dropping off of the books. This diagram shows you that our current bond rate is $1.39 per thousand of assessed value, and we'll talk a little bit more about what assessed value is a little bit later on. And you can see just how the bond rate has fluctuated a bit through the years and where we are with our current bond